What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I will be taking a beloved character, Barney, and transforming him into an evil version. This idea came about when I decided to take a character and do the exact opposite of what the character is known for. So I went online, I'm looking at some reference photo of Barney, of course, you know, the lovable character for kids, and how can I make him evil? I decided to go with Procreate, and I didn't want to change him too much as far as his overall structure, because I've seen somewhere he was a total Tyrannosaurus Rex, a T-Rex, straight up. I wanted him to still have the features like Barney, but look as evil as I can make him. So the features I'm going to be focusing on as far as adding the evil is his legs. I want them a little bent so it almost looks like he could run. So that's the only feature I'm changing on the shape of his body. And I'm giving the pointy talons and claws on his hands. That is a feature Barney does not have, so I wanted to add that. I definitely wanted him to be threatening. So once I add the claws, so before I move on to the eyes and the teeth, I'm just gonna give a official outline on a new layer. I did a pre-sketch on one layer, and I'm doing the tight outline on a top layer. And of course, you guys can see I made that outline a little thicker so it stands out more. We're just tightening up that outline. And once that is done, now we are moving on to the eyes. Of course, the eyes are the window to the soul, so we want those to be as evil as they can be. Sharp teeth. Everything that you can add to add a level of threatening to Barney. And I added a tongue. The Barney does not have a tongue, so once you add the tongue, of course, you know, that adds more life to the character. Getting the body more Barney-like. And once that is in place, I'm happy with that. It still looks like Barney, but something has happened to him and he has turned evil. So now it's just adding the colors. And as far as that goes, you want it to be not too far off of what Barney is. So we get that big purple going. And I'm just making sure I tighten up all the areas that's missing color. I want to add some shadow to it. We just come in with a darker tone of the purple. So we add the shadow effect under the eyes. Anything to add a level of seriousness to this character. Now this is something I wanted to do for a while. I had it in my head a while ago. I said, I wonder what Barney would look like if he was evil. And we are getting to that idea in my head is coming to life. Just smudging out some of the shadows. I decided to do that. I didn't want hard edges because he's a fluffy doll. what we know him as. So I wanted still sort of that effect. I didn't want him to be a real dinosaur, I guess if you could say. Add a little highlights there, blur that out, a couple little more smudges. And that is the thing. I wanted him to look evil, but still be in the same vein of the Barney as we know it. Not take away from what he is and come up with a brand new character. And to me, I've captured the Barney like something has happened to him and he has snapped, right? And there you have it, guys. We are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smack that like button, leave a comment, hit the subscribe, hit that notification bell. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.